Here's a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder, thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, electronic shift on the fly, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Kelley Blue Book reports a large upward sloping grille and 2 large headlight housings convey toughness, but for the most part the latest Pathfinder projects a friendly image. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Nissan of Norfolk, we have a wide variety of new and used cars, Nissan incentives, service specials, and Nissan part savings. We're located in Norfolk, Virginia, and proudly serve the areas of Virginia Beach and Newport News.